Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, the channel that will teach you about trading strategies, crypto, and other money making investments. But I just wanted to do a video about IQ option. I get a lot of people asking me about IQ option, how to trade, how different strategies, things like that. But due to the new EU legislation, I can't trade binary anymore on IQ. Now and again, I might play around with a bit of crypto or forex, but I don't use it as much as I used to. But for all the people that are asking me, because I know that in some countries you can still trade binary, what I thought I would do is upload some of my previous videos just to show you the strategies that I use, just in case it helps anyone. Maybe, I don't know, but I've just, as I get a lot of people asking me, I'll pass on my how I traded with IQ, my strategy, and see if it can help any others. So I'm going to play this short little video here, which is one of my previous videos, just to give you an idea on how I use IQ, how I trade, and if it helps anyone, then hopefully it will.
It's Paul again at Binary Options in Review, and this is a quick update on IQ option. Now, I'm really pleased. I've had a lot of good feedback from people that have used my strategy and said that it's performing well for them and they're making money. So I'm really pleased about that. You know, everyone trades differently. Everyone's comfortable with different things. It's how I like to do it, and it works for me. And I'm pleased it's working for other people. I mean, some people like to get caught up in all the analytics and stuff like that. I like it to be as simple as possible. You know, life's complicated enough. But I like it simple, and I'm pleased it's working for other people. You know, I've had a lot of comments, people thanking me and that on Skype and YouTube and stuff, so I'm very pleased. But basically, all I do is I look for a asset where you can see an overall general direction. So you can see this here, the pound against the Swiss franc. It started here, the overall direction is going up. Then all I do is go into the 2-minute view, wait for that to, oh look at that, wait for that to take a spike down or a dip, and then place a call trade. As you know, the general direction is going up. So it's very simple, just find one. I mean, I don't look for what currency pairing's got the highest percentage. I look for a direction like this where you can see it started there, it's taken a dip, it's shot up, it's leveled out, but the overall direction, and you can see a pattern emerging there as well. It's leveled out, it's gone up, it's leveled out, it's gone up, it's leveled out. You know it's going to go up. Let's go onto the 2-minute view and wait for a dip. Now, I started this IQ option with $10 and I've built it up just to see if it's possible to do it, and it is. So because of that, because of the profit I've made with it, I'm quite happy. There's one there, quite happy placing $1,000 trades. Another one there, while it's still low. Fuck it, another one before it. Oh, the latency got me there. Look, you see that? I clicked it there, but it's shot up. But hopefully that'll still come in. So you see what I've done there? You can see the pattern here with the dip, shot up, dip. So I'm just taking advantage of those dips. You know the overall direction is going up because you can see from the pattern and how it's going here. So then just go to the 2-minute view. Lovely, that's what we want. Right. Now I'm just waiting for another dip like that, Excuse me, still got a bit of hay fever, and another one there, look at that. Come on! Oh! So basically, that's what I do. That's how I do it. Just look for the overall direction, or an asset with an overall direction, and then wait for that spike. Like there's one there, quick. Yeah, wait for those spikes and then place it. You know it. Now I don't want to get greedy. I'm not going to get greedy because that's where people. That's where it all goes wrong once you start getting greedy. So yeah, that's basically what I do. Look for the overall direction, and that's it with an overall direction. Wait for that to take a dip in the other way, and then go the opposite. Oh dear, this is close. Beauty! So look at that, lovely. What's that like? £7 in that short space of time. Yeah, it's not something I'm telling you to do. It's what works for me, and it's working for other people. I'm really pleased with it. Anyway, I'm not going to get greedy. It's one of the main things. You mustn't get greedy.
Okay, so there you have it. Just a quick little video showing you how I trade with IQ options and how I trade with most trading platforms. Don't forget subscribe. Don't forget give me a thumbs up if you like the videos, and I'll put some links below for the latest trading platforms that I use. A link for IQ and any other platforms that are making me money I'll put below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.